Hi guys, if you want to know how to make raw vegan energy ball, stay tuned. Now I'm going to put a cup of almonds and the walnuts into the food processor. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Then I'm going to show you the dates. That's 1 cup of dates, pitted dates. And then I normally make sure that that's cinnamon. I'll put a tablespoon of cinnamon. And then I normally then that's nutmeg. I'm going to put like a quarter of a nutmeg. I grate it. I'm just going to grate it. Then you have to make sure you've soaked your nuts in advance for like 8 hours, and make sure that you dry them again so that they don't have the stuff that makes them okay. That's salt. I put 2 pinches of salt. That's a natural sea salt, Himalayan salt. I was thinking of covering, but then I decided against it. I remembered I have to put cumin. I'll put cumin, half a teaspoon of cumin. You can adjust the measurements as you want. You can put half a teaspoon, or if you like cumin, you can put 1.5. Then that's chili. I'll put a quarter teaspoon of chili. Then actually it's an 8 teaspoon of chili. I'll put the proper ingredients for the recipe down below, the description below, so you don't have to worry about that. Then I'm going to put half a teaspoon of paprika. Then I'm going to put a pinch of cayenne pepper. Then I'll cover it. Yeah, I think that's the paprika now. Put, yes, Spanish paprika. Yes, I think I'm trying to measure it out properly. Then I'll blend it all up nicely. Blitz. Blend. And I'll see it looks, that nice consistency. Then I'll put the dates. There are 1 cup of dates. Remember, they're pitted dates, and they're the soft kind of dates. You don't go with the very dried ones. As you can see, we have those nice soft kind of dates. Then I'll put 2 tablespoons full of soy sauce. Yeah, put the brand there. It's that nice one, which is reduced amount of salt in it. Tablespoons of soy sauce. Normally the recipe calls for namashoyu, but I don't have that, so as long as it's a fermented product, so I decided that soy sauce is a better alternative, because you don't want it too sweet. You want it just right, a little bit of spice and sweetness. So you blitz. So now I'm just looking and trying to make sure all the corners are nice and mixing. No stuff is all over the place. So you blitz. Yeah, it keeps blending. Then you have to reach a consistency where it all clumps up together. Then that's when you stop. Here I think I overprocessed it, so the oil started getting out of it, the oils of the almonds and the walnuts. Yeah, I don't know why here I was touching it like that, but I normally don't do that. If I'm going to make for someone else, I don't touch, but I also make sure that my hands are clean. So you can see they are ready. When I have touched, I can see it's really oily because really blended it too much. But it doesn't matter. When with the roast stuff, sometimes when you over blend, it's not such a big deal, especially it's nuts and dates. And then the amount of spices I've put. That's it. You blend. You see? And then you see easy cleanup. The goodness with raw is easy cleanup. So I'll just put it in a container and put it in the fridge for like half an hour. See, it comes out quite easy. Nothing is left. No big washing of dishes, and it's really delicious. It's very oily, as I told you. I think I put the walnuts. They emit a lot of oil when you blend it really hard. So put it in the fridge for half an hour or even more, just to harden it so you can start rolling. Roll it up. And with this kind of recipes, you can even put vanilla bean extract. You can put so many things. You can put chilies, chipotle peppers, anything you like. But it's those you have to be like careful. You don't put too much unless you like spicy stuff. Sweet and spicy makes everything all delicious. I'll put it in the fridge. Then I forgot to record, so I'd already eaten some of them, so I'm just going to show you how you just roll them, and then you can dip them in anything you like. At the moment I only had coconut crumbs. I don't know what you'd call them, but yeah, those ones, they're actually homemade. You just take coconuts, you put them in the food processor, and you dry them for a few hours, either with the lowest temperature of your oven, or you can use a dehydrator. Then you crush them again, and they remove the desiccated coconut. That's what you'd call them. Then you can do plain ones, or you can do with either, you can see cacao powder or cocoa powder. You dip the balls in there, and you have a nice variety. But I like them better with the coconut, desiccated coconut on them. It's really delicious. If you try this recipe, you can give me a holler, or you can say how you like them, or if you didn't like them. It's a good recipe to have, especially when you feel like eating something sweet, or just like a dessert. This is really awesome. Yeah, as you can see, my hands are really oily. See, I'm trying to show you how it will look when you eat it. It's really nice. Alright, if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more recipes. Bye bye. That's the consistency. That's how it looks. A nice firm bite to it. Thank you. Bye.